Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Charger key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to identify your specific key fob model to confirm the battery type. Most Dodge Charger key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery ready. A clean, well-lit area will make the task much easier. Now let's open the key fob. Look closely at the side of your key fob. You'll find a small slot or indentation. This is where you'll insert your flathead screwdriver. Be gentle as you insert the tip of the screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twisting or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. You should hear a small click as the two pieces begin to come apart, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for proper installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the two halves firmly together until you hear a distinct click, which confirms that the key fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are functioning correctly and sending signals to your vehicle. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.